In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft the Electrolytic Oxygen Synthesizer in Icarus. Over on the tech tree, you can find this device in the Tier 4 section. This building is basically an oxygen provider for your tanks in the game, and it won't require the use of oxite anymore, so you won't have to mine for resources just to keep yourself breathing. The synthesizer needs 2 pieces of titanium plates, 10 glass, 20 electronics, and finally 70 copper wires. It's not too expensive, but it certainly isn't cheap either. To make the titanium plates, you just need some titanium ingots, which you can easily acquire from mining in caves and then smelting it down. For the glass, you just need to place some silica ores inside a furnace, and it'll be smelt down into glass. The electronics can be made with both copper and gold wires. These can be made simply just by using copper and gold ingots. Organic resin can be made in the mortar and pestle for a piece of wood and oxite. For the epoxy, you can make this with the use of crushed bones, or the recipe that uses sulfur and tree sap. I'd recommend the crushed bones one, since it's cheaper and renewable. With all the materials explained, let's get to crafting it. Now make sure to place this somewhere convenient for you, and once you place it down, this will need to be connected to an electric grid and to the water network with a water pump supplying the water, so just connect it to the power and then just add some nodes from the water network and connect it to the synthesizer. Now you can supply oxygen to your oxygen tanks almost instantly instead of having to wait for a long time to get your required oxygen storage. And in case you're wondering, this still works on the oxygen bladders in the early stages of the game. And that's about it on how to craft the Electrolytic Oxygen Synthesizer in Icarus.